Today we're showing you a 2015 Case International 75C tractor. Comes with a Case International L620 self-leveling quick attach front loader. This tractor has just under 500 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor. Has the global style hookup for your front bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor. It's got a little scuff right up here in the front of the hood, very minor. And again, that loader is self-leveling. Also has the Galaxy Radial tires on it. Mid-hose connections for your loader. It's got the Deluxe operator platform, which allows you to set up a little bit higher than your standard tractor. All the controls are also within easy reach. A couple sets of wheel weights there to go with it. Telescopic 3-point arms, rear hydraulic outlet. We do have the other end here on order. That was missing when the tractor came in. Stabilizer bars on both sides, 540 PTO. It's got the rear fender extensions, foldable rollover bar, rear work light. If you're looking for a clean 75 horsepower tractor, it's about as clean as they come. A little bit of sun fade on the panels here in the platform. Looks like it sat in the sun a little bit. And your control there for your rear hydraulic. Also have your four-wheel drive engagement switch over there to the right. PTO and 3-point controls right here beside the seat. Loader control within easy reach. 1, 2, 3, 4 transmission there. That's all synchronized. Plus you've got 3 ranges down below here. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. Foot throttle, individual brakes, clutch pedal here on the left. It does have the power shuttle, which allows you to change direction without clutching. Very nice clean unit. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. This tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions, please contact us.